could have.
A very important point when installing the rubber band, it must not interfere with the free movement of the blade. The knot of the rubber band must be positioned at the bottom, not near the blade pivot area, and not next to the moving mechanism. Also, please make sure the rubber band is stretched tightly enough and follows the dedicated channel made for it. It must not come out of the channel or move into the area where the blade travels. If the rubber band gets into this zone, the blade may open poorly, get stuck, or fail to reach the final open position. Before final assembly, always check that the rubber band sits correctly, has proper tension, and does not block the mechanism.
I could have.